Hey guys, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and I love to share with you easy recipes your family will love. Today I'm taking my Papa's recipe for pot roast and making it in the Instant Pot. His pot roast is the absolute best, and it's because of one ingredient. It might sound a little crazy, but he always added horseradish to his pot roast. It keeps the meat incredibly flavorful while helping to tenderize it. This is one ingredient you will never leave out from your pot roast again. To begin, hit saute on your Instant Pot. Let that heat up while you season a chuck roast. I'm using a 3-pound chuck roast today, and I'm liberally seasoning with salt and pepper on both sides. Once your Instant Pot is heated up, add in about a half a tablespoon of oil. Add your chuck roast to your inner pot and let sear on each side until just browned. Remove the seared meat from your inner pot and add in 4 cups of low-sodium beef stock. Scrape up any brown bits on the bottom of your inner pot and return your chuck roast to the Instant Pot. Add in 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for additional flavor. Next, it's time for the #1 secret ingredient, prepared horseradish. Use about 1/4 of a cup to your chuck roast and spread out evenly over your chuck roast. Place your lid on your Instant Pot and make sure your vent knob is pointed towards sealed. We're going to cook on high pressure for 40 minutes. Hit manual or pressure cook and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust to 40. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Do a quick release of any remaining pressure, and now we're going to add in potatoes and carrots. This keeps our potatoes and carrots from getting mushy while the pot roast cooks. Today I'm using 2-inch little new baby potatoes and 2-inch chunks of carrot. You can certainly use russet potatoes, red potatoes, whatever you like. Just make sure they're all about the same size. Place your lid back on your pressure cooker, make sure your vent knob is pointed back towards sealed, and set cook time for an additional 20 minutes on high pressure. Hit manual or pressure cook and the plus or minus buttons to adjust to read 20. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally. Remove your potatoes and carrots from the Instant Pot. Remove your pot roast from the Instant Pot. Slice up your pot roast and serve with the potatoes and carrots. You guys, grab this recipe for Instant pot roast, make it for your family, and wow them all. Just don't forget the horseradish. For this recipe and more recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com. Happy cooking.